A CFO was talking to the CEO one day, and the CEO said, we really need to have training within this organization. And the CFO said, well, I understand what you're saying, but what if we train them and they leave? And the CEO said to the CFO, but what if we don't train them and they stay? Those are kind of considerations that I have and conversations that I have with leaders across all kinds of organizations. It's a big question. How do we properly invest in the growth and development of our staff? Well, it stands to reason that if we don't invest, we won't have those top talent employees any longer. Because a number one issue for millennials, when they come out of the college and they're looking to come into the workforce, the number one thing that they're looking to do is to be surrounded by the best and brightest and have the most opportunity for growth. And so those organizations who differentiate themselves in the attraction of talent by having resources available to their employees to continue to grow and build upon their competencies and technical skills, they're the ones that are best positioned to capture the greatest talent.